Friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to solve another popular SQL coding problem, 3564 seasonal sales analysis. So this is a medium complexity popular coding problem. This is a very recent problem on Leetcode. So we are going to look into this problem and with some examples, and we are also going to write down our MySQL solution to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Your subscription really helps and supports this channel. So let's start. So sales table is given to us. It has 5 columns, right? Sales ID is integer, product ID is int, sales date is date, quantity is int, and price is decimal. So sale ID is a unique identifier and it contains information about a product sale, including these fields. Okay. The second table is products fields. So products fields has a product ID, product name, and category. Okay, product ID is unique. Write a solution to find most popular product category for each season. Okay, so the seasons are 4: winter, spring, summer, and fall. So winter is December, January, February, spring is March, April, May, summer is June, July, August, and fall is September, October, November. Okay, so this is how the seasons are. So the popularity of a category is determined by total quantity sold in that season. If there is a tie, then select the category with the highest total revenue, which is quantity multiplied by price. Result table ordered by season in ascending order. Okay, so they have given us example. We'll go there. So basically we want to find out most popular product category for each season, right? So okay, so let's take a look at the example, so it will be more clear for you guys. So first, the products. So there are 5 types of products here in the product table, right? 1 2 3 4 5, and then you will see that this is the sales table. So this is the sales table, right? uh, so dates are there. So from this date we have to definitely derive a month so that we can identify which season is this, right? Okay, so that one we can do that easily. And you will see that this is what we are expected to return basically. So for fall season, apparel is the category, its total quantity is 10 and total revenue is 120, right? So you will see that apparel 10 items sold, 6 jackets and 4 jeans, and revenue is this. So this is the maximum most popular category, apparel. Fitness category has a less items sold, and so apparel is the highest uh, total quantity, basically 10, right? So this is how you decide whether it's most popular or not, right? So for example, in fall, apparel has only 10 items and fitness has 3 items. So 10 is maximum. So apparel is the most popular category. In the spring, you will see that kitchen is the most uh, popular category because it has maximum items, right? 3, then take has 1, apparel has 2. So maximum is 3. So kitchen is maximum most popular category. In summer, the popular category is what? Summer take, because it has 5 items sold. 5. So here 4 apparel, summer has fitness 5, kitchen 2, and take 5. So why we did not take fitness? Because we have to because both has a tie, right? Take is also 5, fitness is also 5. So we have to now consider the revenue. So revenue of take is more, which is $100 versus $60. So you are going to take basically, right? So that's what they have explained it like this basically. So now I think you got the idea. For winter, the most popular will be apparel, right? Because it has most maximum categories, right? Nine items, sorry, 9 items, 6 items, 3 items, 2 items. So maximum is 9 for apparel. So apparel is the answer for winter. So I hope you understood what they have asked us. So for each season we want to find out the most popular category, and this is how we are defining finding out the category. When there is a tie, you have to consider the revenue. The revenue you have to find out, and then based on the revenue you will decide when there is a tie in the number of items sold. Okay, so this is what the problem says. So now first thing is for sure that with this sale date we have to identify which month is that, and based on the month we can identify which season is that. So that can be very easily done by using a we will write a common table expression. which is a simple common table expression, right, like this. So season city, this is a common table expression in MySQL. So select one as a month ID, winter as season name, union all, right. So here if it is 1, then you will have a winter, right. If it is 2, then winter. If it is 12, then it is winter. It means that month 12. Okay, what is 12? 12 is the month. If month is 3, then it's a spring. 4, 5, 6, 7. So sorry, 1. Yeah, 3, 4, 5 is the spring. 6, 7, 8 is summer, and 9, 10, 11 are fall, right. So these are the months. So this one they told us already here, right. So here you will see. So this is where it is coming from. So they told us how to define the season. So we got the seasons here. So based on the month, we can find out which season is that. After that, we will write another city which will use this seasons information, and we will create one category season aggregate city, right. So what we will do here, we will use our sales table, seasons table, and products table. We will join them together, and we will find out what we will find out for that category, how much is the total quantity and how much is the total revenue. That's what we will find out here. So for that, we are going to select from sales S join with products P. How we will join? On product ID. S dot product ID is equal to P dot product ID, because product ID is a common column between these tables. After that, we will join this with season city. So this is our season city that we created to identify the season. How we will join it? Based on the month. So month of S dot sale date is equal to AC dot month ID, right. So month ID we define here in the season city. So if it is 1, then it will be winter. If it is 2, then winter. If it is 4, then spring, like this, right. So that's how we will identify which season is that, right. And then we will group these things by P dot category ID and AC dot season name. And here we are selecting P dot category, AC dot season name. Here we are going to use sum, which is aggregate function. That's why you have to group by, basically, right. When you want to use aggregate function, you have to use group by, basically, correct. So group by is P dot category comma AC dot season name. And then what we will find out here, first we want to find out the quantity sold for that season, right. So sum of S dot quantity. And in the second one, we want to find out the revenue for that season. So S dot quantity multiplied by S dot price will give you the revenue, and you will do the sum, so that for all the items you will get the total revenue for that season, right. So this part is clear to you now, how we have used that, the season city here, and we created this category seasons aggregate. Okay, after that we are going to use the ranking, because we have to use the ranking so that we can identify the most popular, right, most popular. So here we will use a dense rank. So dense rank, it is a function in MySQL that will assign a rank with, like, each row within particular in the partition without gaps, right. It means that you will have a consecutive order, basically, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's how it will be ranked. If there is a tie between values, it will be assigned the same rank, right. So and the next rank value will be 1 greater than previous rank, so it is consecutive, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So dense rank function we are going to use. If you don't know dense rank, just read little bit on Google, then you will know that it's very easy and very useful to solve these kind of problems, because we want to rank it, right. We want most popular, that's why. Okay, so now ranked city is another common table expression we are creating. Here we are selecting category, season name, total quantity, total revenue, and then dense rank over partition by season name, order by total quantity descending and total revenue descending as a rank from category season aggregate. So we are selecting these things from this category season aggregate that we have created here, correct. So here we want to select, we want to give it a rank here. How you want to give it a rank? So you will use a partition by season name. You want to partition your data based on the season, right. So for winter, then for summer, like this. And then you want to use order by total quantity descending, so that you can get the maximum quantity on the top rank, correct. And if there is a tie, you will use total revenue descending, right. So that you can give it a rank, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, because after that we will only select the rank 1, because we want only most popular category, correct. So you understood this. That's how the dense rank function works, right. Dense rank function. So it will have a consecutive ranking. So we are giving a ranking basically, but by creating partition based on the seasons. So every season data will be together, but it will be partitioned, and in that partition you want to arrange the data so that your total quantity should be descending order and total revenue should be descending order, so that your one rank will give you the maximum quantity basically, correct? That's why. Okay, so you created this rank city. Now is the time to use that rank city. So here we are selecting all these fields from rank CTE, where rank is equal to 1. This is very very important. Where rank is equal to 1, order by season, right? So season name as season, category total quantity, total revenue, and ranked CTE you will say RNK rank is equal to 1, because here we have given RNK name to the rank, right? RNK. So that's why RNK is equal to 1. And why only 1? Because we want that most popular, right, where you will get most, like the total quantity maximum basically, right, or total revenue maximum when there is a tie, correct? So that's how you can write down this SQL query. So what we have done here, important thing to note is that we have modularized our query into three different common table expressions, so that it is clean for reading. This is, and this common table expressions can be reused again in your projects. So that's why we prefer common table expression. So this, it starts with, and you write this common table expression like this. So we have created one, right? Season CTE, then category season aggregate, and then ranked CTE, right? And then we have used that ranked CTE here to identify uh, the most popular one by choosing the rank is equal to 1, correct? Submit this code now to the test cases. Make sure it compiles and passes the test cases. And as you can see, the test case is accepted. So we are getting correct result. As you can see, our result and their result is matching correctly. So this is how we have identified the most popular category for fall is apparel, spring is kitchen, and summer is steak, and winter is apparel, right? So which is correct. So we'll submit this code now to the Leetcode. Make sure our query gets accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see here on the left side, the query is accepted by the Leetcode. It is 68.17% faster than other submissions. This is how you can write down this SQL query by using a dense rank for 3564 seasonal sales analysis. Another very recent medium complexity SQL related coding problem. So I wanted to show you how we can write down this clean solution with the help of common table expressions in MySQL. And I hope you understood these queries clearly. How we have used group by clause, how we have used joins, and how we have used dense ranks to write down this SQL query solution. So if you like this query solution, and if this video helped you understand how to write these kind of queries to solve this problem, seasonal sales analysis, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really valuable and important for our channel. It really helps and supports this channel. It really takes lots of efforts and time to create these videos, to come up with these examples, these queries, and solutions. So if you really want to appreciate our efforts, then try to be generous, give it a like to the video, and subscribe to the channel. Your subscription is really helpful for the channel. Also click on the bell notification icon button right away, so you won't miss any upcoming interesting such solve coding problem videos, so that you can easily learn different varieties of problem solving techniques, as well as how to write down and implement the solutions for those problems. The important playlist that you should not miss from this channel includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, how to use and apply binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, as well as BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices, and trees. The important playlist for different data structures include stacks, queues, priority queues, minheap, and maxheap. Don't miss out on those important solved coding problems. They will give you a good preparation for your interview rounds and will help you learn different techniques of problem solving, Java programming, as well as SQL programming by watching these videos. So take a look into the playlist. You will definitely like those problems and videos, and you will learn a lot from them as well. Share these videos with your friends, so they will also learn how to solve different varieties of problems. They will also get help in their interview preparation process. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.